Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start with safety and the first action. Cut power and unplug the compressor, then vent tank pressure. Once done, position a drain pan under the sump and remove the drain plug. This protects surfaces and prevents spills. While oil drains, loosen the filler cap to allow air in and speed flow. Make sure you've got the specified oil grade and quantity handy so you can top up immediately after inspection. This step removes contaminants and prepares the motor for fresh oil. Next, inspect internal condition and replace filters. You check the oil fill opening for metal particles or milky emulsions, signs of damage or water contamination, so you know whether further repairs are needed. Then remove and either clean or replace the oil filter or screen. This step prevents debris recirculation. Wipe the mating surfaces clean and reinstall the drain plug, tightening to the recommended torque so you avoid leaks yet don't strip threads. These steps protect. Finally, refill with the manufacturer's specified oil to the correct level on the dipstick or sight glass. Too much or too little harms seals and performance. Once filled, run the compressor for a short burst to circulate oil, then inspect all fittings and the drain plug for leaks. After a cool down, recheck the oil level and top off as needed. If you see persistent leaks, low pressure, or metal flakes, shut down and inspect bearings and seals. Those symptoms indicate deeper mechanical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.